When you're on a zero-turn rider from Cub Cadet, you get more. More performance and more best-in-class features to accomplish more than ever before. Starting with the exclusive SynchroSteer technology on our steering wheel models, including the RZTS, giving you the control, confidence, and stability to handle almost any terrain. Or make yourself comfortable on our RZTL lap bar riders, featuring roomy operator platforms giving you ample legroom for all-day comfort. And our available high-performance fabricated Aeroforce cutting decks optimize airflow to eliminate clumping during discharge. Only Cub Cadet offers the protection of the corrosion defense system with E-Coat. A multi-step process electronically applies automotive-grade corrosion resistance with meticulous care to protect against wear and tear. For even more capability, our Z-Force lineup offers upgraded decks, transmissions, and fuel capacity options to deliver heavy-duty performance at a heavy-duty value. And exclusively at your independent retailer, select Cub Cadet zero-turn riders have available premium performance package options, so you can step it up in power, comfort, control, and reliability. And when you choose a Cub Cadet zero-turn, you're getting more than strength. You're getting strength you can trust. Strength that's been built in America since 1961. This is zero-turn strength with zero comparison. This is where lawns come to life. This is Strongsville.